step-by-step tips to help you achieve affiliate marketing success. The web and everything associated with it can seem like a hard thing to get your head around. Affiliate marketing in particular is something that a lot of people struggle to grasp. You just have to remember to have a positive attitude about learning what you need to learn and then to apply it properly. This video will provide you with some insightful tips you can apply to your affiliate marketing goals. Make sure that your partners don't take advantage of cookies, and certainly don't do it yourself. If nothing else, this will annoy your visitors. At worst, it can break important affiliate customer tracking chains or even spread viruses. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraph short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. If you are giving a particular affiliate a large amount of business, take some time and see if you can increase your commissions with them. A lot of companies will be willing to discuss an increase, if they see that they are getting a lot of traffic from you. In the end, your primary goal is to be successful. The only way you're going to accomplish that goal is by consistent application of good strategies. So, give the suggestions you just read about a chance. You can achieve the success that many others already have. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.